IKEA, the place that you could literally live in. There's home appliances that you can decorate your house and your room. There's a bed. It's hard to see the bed in this picture, but there's a bed. There's beds. There's toys for your kids. And also many other appliances. Kitchen stuff too. Stuff that you can use for your kitchen. Make it IKEA themed. And many other stuff. There's also meatballs at IKEA. Not kidding. There's meatballs at IKEA. There's also popcorn. Everyone loves a little popcorn. There's also many other stuff. There is many other things. Anyway, IKEA, the place that you can literally live in. Remember to contact us. And also, subscribe to this channel. Please, it'll really help a lot.